Assalamualaikum. How are you? I'm fine. I hope that you will be fine. Today I will discuss a very important property of exponential as well as logarithms. So I will start from here. We know that the basic property is this one. If we have a raised to power b is equal to c, this implies log of c base a is equal to b. Am I right? So whenever we have this expression, then every exponential equation can be changed into the logarithmic form. Similarly, over here, this equation is given just like this one. Over here, I have to make this property. I will use the blue marker from here. Also, whenever you have to apply this one, so this implies I have to start from here. This expression is given. So any base a, that term is called the base. This term is called the exponent. And this term is called product. So over here, that is called the product. That is called the base. And this one is called the exponents. So same case is over here. We have to apply with the blue marker. A raised to power 1 always is equal to a. Am I right? So in this case, that expression is base. So in this expression, that one is called the base. So this is called the base. This is called the exponent. And this is called the product. So that is called base. This is called exponent. This is called product. Now we have to change this one to logarithmic form. Just like this one. LOG, log is the abbreviation of the word logarithms. So you have to write the base over here. You have to write the product over here. That will be equal to 1. So whenever a given logarithmic term, if the power and the bases are same, then what will happen? Then the answer will be 1. Okay. Similarly, we have log of e with base e is equal to 1. In the shortcut, we have to make log natural of e is equal to 1. So we have to remember this result. That is a very important result. Log natural of e is always equal to 1. Thank you, beta.